Paul Dorsey, Jantize America. I need you to forget the misconceptions. Why would an executive like you be interested in the cleaning industry? Truth be told, the Jantize Area Developer Master Franchise Program, it's not at all about cleaning or you doing any cleaning. Jantize America offers a proven business model that will inspire professional executives to capitalize on the $128 billion a year cleaning industry without ever actually cleaning those buildings by themselves. Our area developers do not spend nights or weekends or managing cleaners. They are empire builders operating between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. just like any other executive. As a Jantize area developer, you actually become a franchisor, not a franchisee, with exclusive territories and running your business during normal business hours, all while creating multiple streams of reoccurring revenue. Your role is to build an empire, not to clean. Just think about it. The success of the Jantize area developers really doesn't come from cleaning at all. It comes from mentoring other small business owners who just so happen to be in the janitorial, commercial cleaning, and facility services. Listen to part 2 for more. Click on the URL behind me.